Good morning, students. Welcome you all for Next Generation Learning. Today, we are going to see the subject Science and Class 4, Chapter number 9 Animals and Their Young Ones. Topics Reproduction, Ways of Reproduction. There are the two ways of reproduction. One is animals that lay eggs, and another one animals that give birth to young ones. Under the animals that lay eggs, we are going to see birds, frogs, fishes, reptiles, insect. The first one is reproduction. So what is meant by reproduction? When people grow old, they die. Die. We know that now we are in a small children. When we grow up, we get old. Then we will die one day. Have you ever thought what would happen if no babies were born? Think this situation. If no new babies are born, what will happen? All the people would die after completing their lifespan. And one day there would be no human beings on earth. If no babies were born means so one day there would be no human beings on earth. So how we can reproduce these human beings? So it is a process of reproduction that helps all living organisms to produce more of their kind. This Thus reproduction can be defined as the process by which living beings produce more of their own kind. So, the process of reproduction, we can produce more of their kind. So, the only one way we can produce of more our kind by the process of reproduction. We know that human beings grow from babies to adult. Look at this diagram. Here, the first one is a child. When the child grow up and he became an adult. Similarly, animals also grow from young ones to adult. The young one is nothing but you have a mother. The mother have child. The child is called young one. For example, a puppy grows into a dog, a kitten grows into a cat, and a calf grows into a cow. Look at the second diagram. Here, this is a dog. It grown into puppy to dog. The same as if you take a cat, the kitten grow into cat. And if you take a cow, the calf grows into a cow. So plants grow from seeds. How the plants are grow? The plants are grow from the seeds. A seed contains a baby plant inside it. Look at this diagram. Here the green color is called baby plant. It was placed inside the seed. So we are growing from babies to adult. So ways of reproduction. All of us have seen the eggs of a hen. Look at this diagram. This is a egg of hen. Have you ever seen or heard about a dog or a cat laying eggs? You know that a hen lay egg. Have you ever heard the word a dog lay egg, a cat lay egg? No. So there are the two way of reproduction. One is laying eggs and another one is giving birth to young ones. If you take birds, reptiles, frog, insect, fish. These all lay eggs. Human beings, tigers, cow, cat, dog, deer. These all give birth to young one. Come, let us learn more about these two ways of reproduction. The first one, animals that lay eggs. The first one is birds. You know that the bird lay egg. We have learned that most birds build nest. Look at the look at the diagram. This is a net with egg diagram. This this is a nest with the egg. This nest was built by birds. They lay eggs in the nest. Birds sit on the eggs to keep them warm. This helps the baby inside an egg to grow and develop. After few days, chicks come out from the eggs. The chicks stay in the nest until they grow and learn to live on their own. We know that in a many of them home they growing the kin. We know that when the kin lay the egg, it sit on the egg for few days. After few days, the chick come out from the egg. Then the baby, the mother can give food to baby chick until it learn to live on their own. Different birds lay eggs of different sizes. For example, a ken's egg is much smaller than an ostrich egg. Look at this diagram. Here, the brown color or egg of ken and the white is a egg of ostrich. So, comparing to the egg of ken, the ostrich egg is larger, but the egg of all birds are same from the inside. The size comparing to the ostrich and hence comparing to the egg of ostrich to ken, the ken egg is very smaller and ostrich is larger. But the both the eggs have same parts in the inside. So let us study the egg of ken and find out what all it contains. Now we are going to learn what are the things are present inside of the egg. Here I took egg of a ken. The first one, an egg has an outer hard protective covering called shell. So look at this diagram. Here it has outer cover and it was very hard. It protect the whole egg. So the name of that part is called shell. S-H-E-L-L, shell. The second part, inside the shell is present a yellow portion in the center known as yolk. Y-O-L-K, yolk. And look at this diagram. Here the yolk is present in the center. The yolk is surrounded by a clear, watery egg white or albumin. So this yolk is surrounded by the white color liquid. That white color watery liquid is called albumin. A-L-B-U-M-E-N, albumin. The growing baby inside the egg is known as embryo. So the growing egg, the small baby was inside the egg, that is called embryo. The red color spot, no, that is the embryo. As the embryo develops into a chick inside the egg, the yolk acts as a source of food for it. The albumin protects the embryo from the jerk and shocks. So, dear students, if you take any egg, every egg has outer cover. It is a very hard one. The name of that part is called shell. The center point, the center portion of the egg is covered with yolk. At the yolk, it has a small point that is called embryo. The embryo is nothing but small chick, baby chick. This embryo develops into a chick inside the egg. It takes food from the yolk. And the yolk is surrounded by the watery liquid that is called albumin. And also the albumin protects the embryo from the jerk and shocks. The next one, egg of a hen. Not egg of a hen, and life cycle of a hen. When the embryo fully develops into a chick, the chick breaks open the shell and comes out. Look at this diagram. The adult can lay egg. Inside the egg, the embryo grow. After embryo fully develops into the chick, the chicks breaks upon the shell and come out. So this is known as catching. Slowly, the chicks grows into an adult chicken. So this is a life cycle of hen. The adult hen lay egg. Inside the egg, the embryo grows. At a certain period of time, after certain period of time, the chick was come out from the egg. This process is known as catching. Hatching, catching. So the small chick grown into adult. The same process will follow for every time. The next one, life cycle of a frog. Just like birds, frogs also lay eggs. But compared to a hen that lays only one egg at a time, a frog lays hundreds of eggs at a time in water. We know that the hen lay only one egg at a time. One day it lay only one egg. But the frog also lay egg, not a single. It lay hundreds of eggs in a single time. But the hen lay eggs on a land. But the frog lay eggs only on the water. Only in the water. The eggs are laid in a clusters called span. So when the eggs are laid in a cluster, the cluster means the more number of eggs are laid means that is called spans. The eggs are protected by a jelly-like substance. From the eggs catch tadpole, which are the tiny egg ones. Look at this diagram. This is a life cycle of a frog. The first one is an adult frog, that means big frog. It lay hundreds of eggs in the water. This egg was covered with a jelly-like substance. Inside that egg, the embryos grow up. After a few days, the tadpoles are catched from the egg, and the tadpoles are young one of that adult frog. So the tadpoles start swimming in water. We know that the small fish-like frogs are in the water and they are swimming in the water. That is not a fish, that is a frog. A tadpole has a tail while an adult frog does not. Compare the adult frog and the tadpole here. The tadpole have tail, but the adult frog does not. So tadpole looks very different from a frog. Comparing to the adult frog, the tadpole is very different. In a span of 12 to 16 weeks, a tadpole fully develops into an adult frog. After 12 to 16 days, the tadpoles are grown into adult frog. During this period, the gills of a tadpole are replaced by lungs and other organs also develop. You know that the frog is living on land. Adult frog is living on land. But the tadpoles are living in water. When they are living in water, it have gills the side. It has gills in the side. After 12 to 16 days, the tadpoles are developed into adult frog. During that time, the gill of a tadpoles are replaced by lungs and also other organs also develop. So this is the life cycle of a butterfly. And adult frog lay more eggs and the eggs are covered with jelly like. Inside that the embryos are grown. After a few days the embryos are come out from the egg. That process is called catching. The young one of this frog is called tadpole. The tadpole has tail, but the adult frog does not have. When the tadpoles are develop into adult frog, the gills of tadpole are replaced by lungs. This is the life cycle of a frog. The next one, fishes. You know that fish also lay eggs. But where the fish live, the fishes live in water. Just as a small fishes fall prey to big fishes, many of their eggs are also eaten by big fishes. Hence, fishes lay thousands of eggs at a time. Baby fishes catch from the eggs that survive. They slowly grow into adult fish. Are you understand? The fish also lay eggs. But the small fishes fall prey to the big fishes. Mostly the big fishes are eat the small fishes and also eat the eggs also. But the fishes lays thousands of eggs at a time. Comparing to the frog lay only hundreds of eggs at a time. But the fishes lay thousands of eggs at a time. And baby fishes catch from the eggs and survive it. They slowly grow into adult fishes. The next one, reptiles. Snakes, lizards, and crocodiles are some of the reptiles that we know. Reptiles also reproduce by laying eggs. What are the reptiles? Snake is a reptile, lizard is a reptile, crocodile also reptiles. These reptiles also laying eggs. Crocodile lay eggs in a coal nest. Crocodiles make coal nest by digging sand. The egg laid by crocodile receive the warmth of the sun. After 80 or 90 days, baby crocodile hatch from the egg. So the crocodile also lay egg, but how the crocodile lay egg? It make a hole by a digging sand, and it laid the eggs on the coal. Now after 80 to 90 days, this egg get warm by the sunlight. Then it catch and the small crocodiles are come out from that eggs.